Hi, I'm Joe Arthur, Executive Director at Central Pennsylvania Food Bank, and I've been with the food bank for about 9 years. The hunger need in the Harrisburg area, and really all of Pennsylvania and the nation, is much greater than most people realize, and it's increased dramatically since the Great Recession that ended in 2009. And here in the Tri-County area of Dauphin, Cumberland, and Perry counties, on a typical month, about 100,000 people, or about 35,000 families, need food assistance. Hunger is devastating for a child, and it's really in the moment. So on a Monday morning, a child that's hungry, often it'll affect their behavior, not being able to concentrate, maybe being disruptive in class. Hunger in the day can actually impact the entire classroom. If it's chronic over time, it's very important that young children have enough nourishment every day, and it really can be a life sentence of learning disabilities if a child is chronically hungry. So it really is a devastating condition to be in. We're really happy about Feed the Need. First of all, we love when students are helping students. About a third of our clients at Central Penn Food Bank are actually children, so we love to see an effort where students are helping students. Also, the engagement. The community is really how we work. We work with charitable organizations in communities. We provide food, and they help people in need. To see the students engaging with the community for us is really a win-win. They're bringing in resources, helping us have enough food for people in need, but they're also engaging with the community and helping fellow students. Unfortunately, the 5,000 meals, which is actually a lot of food, it's actually going to go pretty quickly. Within the first month of offering those, we'll probably use all of those 5,000 meals. We'll provide fresh meat and fresh vegetables and fruits, fresh milk, but unfortunately there's so much need that we'll consume that rather quickly. It's really important in our mission to engage the community, and that means all of the community. So everything that the students can do and their families can do to reach into the community, find more friends for the food bank to help us, the better. At the end of the day, we rely on public support to carry out our mission, and without that support, we just wouldn't have enough for people in need. So engage with your families, your friends, get out there on social media, use those skills to help bring friends to the food bank. The fastest way that you can help is to access the website www.harrisburgacademy.org/feedtheneed.